Hello, I'm John Hogue with Barco, and today at our booth we're going to be showing some of our ClickShare products, and we're going to show a little bit of our brand new ClickShare Hub. The ClickShare Hub is a brand new product that we unveiled at InfoComm this year, and this product basically runs an instance of a Teams environment using Microsoft's MDEP platform on Android. It comes with a ClickShare, and one of the cool things about this new product, it has our ClickShare button with a new version. This runs Wi-Fi 6E up to 4K 30 frames per second, and the connection is not USB-C data anymore, it's USB-C DisplayPort Alt. So the connectivity does not require any type of driver upload to be connected to a device. So this is the brand new ClickShare Hub Pro, and this is our ClickShare CX50 that's used in many other configurations in Teams Room where it can enable automatic switching. And our whole entire product line fits into the wireless presentation mode for various different types of projects. And again, this is ClickShare. You can find us at www.barco.com.